Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for an at-home hair dye that is not going to irritate your scalp, doesn't have any noxious smells, and covers gray really well, then you need to check out Herbatint. So I've been using them for about 8 months to dye my hair at home. I have a lot of gray, as you can see, and I'm really pleased with how well it covers. I started using the 5N light chestnut color this time around. I had been using one of the darker chestnuts and I wanted just a tiny bit of a lighter tint. And even though I'd been using the darker shade, this covered really well with no variations in color. So I really appreciated that. I am growing out one of my gray areas to be a silver streak. Don't worry, I didn't just miss a spot. This is on purpose. I really love the coverage and the depth of color. This is a gel. It's really easy to mix together and to apply. One box is enough for me to dye my hair once, but as you can see, I do have chest length hair. I'm going to continue to use Herbatint's colors because I love the results and I love that there's no smell and no itchiness to my scalp. And that's my point of view.